The iPhone, a name synonymous with innovation, design, and a seamless user experience. From its inception, the iPhone has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, transforming a simple communication device into a powerful pocket-sized computer. Steve Jobs, Apple's visionary leader, presented the first iPhone in 2007, igniting a spark that would transform the mobile phone industry forever. The device was sleek, minimalist, and unlike anything seen before. Its multi-touch screen, intuitive interface, and focus on user experience set a new standard for mobile devices. The App Store, introduced a year later, further cemented the iPhone's position as a technological game-changer. The iPhone has fostered a vibrant ecosystem of developers, designers, and entrepreneurs, creating countless opportunities and driving innovation across various industries. The iPhone has become more than a device. It's a platform for creativity, communication, and connection. At the heart of the iPhone lies a complex interplay of components, each playing a crucial role in its seamless operation. The central processing unit, often referred to as the brain of the device, orchestrates the execution of tasks, ensuring swift responsiveness and smooth multitasking. The graphics processing unit handles the visually demanding tasks, rendering images, videos, and games with stunning clarity. The display, a vibrant window into the digital world, is a marvel of engineering. The camera, a cornerstone of the iPhone experience, captures moments with stunning detail. Its advanced lens system, combined with sophisticated image processing algorithms, produces photographs and videos of exceptional quality. Beyond the core components, a multitude of sensors work in harmony to enhance the user experience. These seemingly small details contribute to the iPhone's seamless and intuitive operation. The iPhone's power source, a compact yet powerful lithium-ion battery, provides the energy needed to fuel its myriad functions. Apple's continuous advancements in battery technology have led to increased battery life and faster charging capabilities. Power management software optimizes energy consumption, extending the time between charges. Wireless charging, introduced in recent iPhone models, offers a convenient and cable-free way to replenish the battery. Fast charging technology enables rapid power replenishment, minimizing downtime and ensuring the device is always ready to go. Apple's commitment to sustainability extends to its battery technology. The company is actively researching and developing more environmentally friendly battery materials and recycling processes. The pursuit of longer battery life and faster charging continues to drive innovation in the mobile technology industry. As battery technology evolves, we can expect even more powerful and energy-efficient devices in the future. Section 4. The Apple Ecosystem, a symphony of innovation. The iPhone is a key component of a broader ecosystem of Apple products and services. This interconnectedness creates a seamless user experience, allowing for effortless data synchronization and device integration. The Apple Watch, AirPods, and Macs integrate with the iPhone, creating a unified user experience. The App Store expands the iPhone's capabilities with a vast marketplace of applications. iCloud provides a secure way to store and access data across multiple devices. Apple's commitment to privacy and security is a cornerstone of its ecosystem. Section 5. The Human Touch. Apple's impact on society. Apple's influence extends far beyond the realm of technology. The company's products have become deeply ingrained in our daily lives, shaping the way we communicate, work, learn, and entertain ourselves. The iPhone in particular has become an indispensable tool for millions, connecting people across geographical boundaries and fostering global communities. The accessibility features integrated into Apple's products empower individuals with disabilities, providing them with the tools they need to navigate the digital world. The iPhone has also become a powerful tool for education, providing access to a wealth of information and educational resources. Apple's commitment to social responsibility is reflected in its various initiatives aimed at promoting education, environmental sustainability, and community development. Gazing into the crystal ball, the future of mobile tech. The future of mobile technology is brimming with possibilities, and Apple will continue to lead its trajectory. AI, augmented reality, and 5G will revolutionize our interaction with devices in the world. The iPhone will be at the forefront of this evolution. Foldable displays, better batteries, and powerful processors are potential innovations, Health and wellness features are another exciting development area. The iPhone could become indispensable for managing well-being. As a central hub, the iPhone will shape the future of technology and our lives.